50% of this chocolate is fat. Fat has 9 calories per gram compared to carbs, sugar and protein. But your nutritional label doesn't share the details calorie wise but shares in gram, which is where you have to do the work. This chocolate has 438 calories per 100 grams. Of this, 24.8 gram comes from fat. Multiply this by 9. This means 223.2 calories come from fat. This is 50.96% of total calories. Your favorite chocolate is 50% fat. Your biscuit is also 42% fat. 100 grams of this biscuit, 512 calories. Calories from fat, 24 grams or 216 calories or 42.19% calories of this biscuit comes from fat. Your biscuit is 42% fat. This bhujia is 63% fat. 100 grams of bhujia, 580.8 calories. Fat, 40.8 grams or 367.2 calories or 63.22% of your bhujia is fat. India, stop eating fat, stop getting fat.